Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the revolutionary EMSzero machine, the cutting-edge 202 model with 6500 W power and 14 Tesla performance. If you're someone who is serious about fitness and wants to take your training to the next level, then this is the product you've been waiting for. First and foremost, I want to emphasize that we are offering this amazing product to you at a direct factory price. That means you're getting the best quality EMSzero machine at the most competitive rates in the market. Plus, with our complete documentation and 1-year warranty, you can rest assured that your purchase is fully protected. But that's not all. When you buy from us, you can expect fast and hassle-free shipping. Our overseas warehouses ensure that your EMSzero machine will reach your doorstep within 3 to 7 business days, without any customs clearance required. No more waiting around for your fitness equipment to arrive, and let's talk about the machine itself. The EMSzero machine is the latest 202 model, with a powerful 6500 W output and an impressive 14 Tesla performance. This means you can expect exceptional results in your workouts and achieve your fitness goals faster than ever before. Whether you're a professional athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone looking to improve their health, the EMSzero machine offers an efficient and effective solution. This non-invasive technology uses high-intensity focused electromagnetic energy to massage and shape your body, activating the nerves that control the muscles and making them contract automatically. It's like nothing you've ever experienced before. So, why wait? Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to elevate your training routine and experience the EMSzero difference today. Order now and see for yourself how this cutting-edge technology can transform your fitness journey. And don't forget, if you have any questions or need further assistance, our friendly customer support team is here to help. Don't miss out on this chance to revolutionize your workouts and achieve incredible results. Order your EMSzero machine now. Click the link in the description to make your purchase today.